another snow day. Really sad that there's not enough snow to go sledging, but it's still better than nothing. It looks really pretty. It feels proper cosy. We have had to shoot off to our friends up the road for haylage. Our friends bale their own haylage, so lucky for us. Croc's just had to nip up the road and get some. The animals have got no access to any of the grass at the minute because of the cold and the snow. I've got them lambs that I'm trying to fatten up in the barn over there, which have munched through all of the hay that we had accessible. And I've got Buddy and the goats down in the field. They need some hay. I've got my ewes that I'm hoping to get into lamb. They need some hay. So Croc's just gone and picked up a couple of bales of haylage from our lovely friends up the road. So woohoo! Here they come. I think they're going to be pleased with that, aren't they? Oh, I can smell it already. How are you going to get them off? Now, you all know how I always say to you, he has to get the big machines out for everything. I'll let him off for this one because I wouldn't fancy trying to roll that down to the cows. Oh, I'm supposed to be watching he's not taking the side off the trailer, so I best concentrate. You're good. You're good. It's not moving. Oh, hang away. You're pushing it. Got a bit of snow on my lens or something. Oh, hang on, you're pushing. Yep. So we're going to take the first bale down to the cows and the goats. The goats I am trying to keep lean at the same time as putting on a slight bit of weight so they can get put into kid. The vet was really happy with their condition, so I'm really pleased with that, as I've always been a little unsure. Jesus, he just nearly ran me full blown over. But yeah, I've been a little bit unsure since having the goats about their condition, really, in terms of weight, because they just always look a bit thin, I think. But he was really pleased, so I'm happy with that. Buddy's keen bean for that. We gave a couple of steaks and brisket to some of our good friends, and they've let us know that it was absolutely delicious. We've been eating it and we think it's amazing, but it's really nice to know from somebody who usually buys shop brought meat that they also think that it's really, really tasty. I'm going to cut that open now so they can get to it. before Buddy takes chunks out of the plastic wrap. Go on then, get down. Go on. Buddy's just took a massive bite out of the plastic. Shall I cut it across the top? Or around?
I'm trying to cut it so the goats can get in.
Yeah, they'll get in there even if it's too high.
How will they?
Yeah, easy. They just put their feet on it.
Oh, that's it then.
I pulled it too low down, didn't I? With well,
Yeah.
Dennis ate the plastic actually. Come on, girls. Buddy's so funny, isn't he? He's like, oh, I remember this. What are you doing, Buddy? Is she eating my pocket?
Hopefully they're coming from there now.
Pardon?
Hopefully they're coming from
Oh
there.
no! Oh no! Oh no! Get off! My new coat.
Get on there, big lad. Go. Go on, Mum. It's hard on there. Stand up.
Here they go. Look.
That's what happens when you get hold.
Yeah, I saw.
They look bigger on there, don't they?
Yeah.
Which one's the poorly one?
She's up. She's eating, I think. Yeah, Shelby. That's we've got to get that shelter, haven't we?
Just pull it down with your mule. It's got a chain on it.
Has it?
Hmm.
I'll do it in a minute. I'll just stick it there or something so it's not miles into the field.
Yeah, just drag it there. Just literally come in.
Do you know he won't move from there now?
Don't matter, doesn't it?
No, but remember last time? He just literally stood there the entire time. I'd take that black bit off the top because he'll eat it.
I don't want it. I want it to stand here where the stand is.
Oh yeah, he's getting the idea.
Move that tree.
The haylage is supposed to be better because it's less dusty.
I'd say haylage is better fodder, but people think hay's better.
Well, got to work with what you got, haven't you? God, it's hurting my arm. Don't do that again, I'm going to fall off.
It's changing gear, babe.
Huh?
It's just changing gear.
Does it do it all on its own?
It's almost slightly easy to get that for it. I want someone to hold the trees down.
The birds are enjoying it.
There's loads of birds on there yesterday.
Yeah, there's been loads nests. They won't nest this time of year, do they? Yeah, I wonder what those were. It's calling them the bush took a trial. So we're on to the second bale now. Apparently the haylage itself is digested more than hay, so in theory should mean that you need less additional feed alongside it. That's tight. He always asks me where to put stuff, and then whatever I say puts it in a different place anyway. So it's gone from going in that corner to going there. But it's better there for me because I can reverse the mule up to it anyway. Okay, you're pushing, Phils. It needs... I'll just leave him to it. these chicks here having the time of their actual lives. I've actually lined you up some new homes, you lot. Watch out the way then, Riv. River. That's noisy. Did Will use his tractor? What colour was Will's tractor? What colour was it? Was it blue? I think you need a coat on. So that was no good, was it? I just flipping set that up on that pile of cement there and it just fell straight over. I might be here for 100 years trying to pull this off. If anybody has got any better ideas where I don't have to open the whole bale, I don't want to do that, but equally unravel the whole lot, he says. Like a piece of toilet roll. Yeah, it looks like a piece of toilet roll that my kids have been at now. Hello, sheeps. The sheep are still absolutely loving the fodder beet as well. So it's like being a snowy can eat banquet round here. Obviously one day it's the dream that we'll be able to afford some more land around us, if any come up for sale, so we could grow our own. Ooh, that's a bit yucky, whatever that is dropping on me. It doesn't feel like rain, more like sleet. But yeah, to have enough land to do our own hay and haylage, and also to have a big herd of cattle, because we'd love to have a herd of Highlands. So that is the dream. I've had a little bit of progress today on this Jersey cow situation. So I just thought it was just, I thought Croc's just putting me off, just didn't want me to get one, you know, and then they do that. Coming up with all the excuses in the book. But no, it turns out that he's just thinking of how we're gonna have enough grass for, essentially we want obviously to rear some more beef cattle. We have really enjoyed having the Highlands. The kids love the Highlands, I love the Highlands, we love the Highlands. They're slow growing, so you obviously do need them longer than your typical beef cattle, such as a Hereford. But the slow growing, we think made the beef delicious. So we would like to do them again. And because of them being slow growing, they're obviously on the land for longer, therefore meaning you need good grass for longer. We're also very conscious about damaging the ground too much, so we therefore need enough land to rotate them through to prevent that soil getting damaged, spoiled if you like. So yeah, we're hoping we've come up today with a sort of, not an idea, I think a pathway forward to get a young Jersey and 2 Highland calves. Sophie Burrows, if you're watching this, she's been desperate for me to get Highland calves for so long. Oh dear. That's not good, is it? Why is it always on the worst weather days that things break? I suppose that's why, because the weather's bad. But best go and call the mechanic / builder. My mechanic's already mechanicking.
Don't worry, it's going to work tomorrow. Hold that air light on that bracket there. Around my arm.
This video started out as a haylage video.
Right.
I've gone on all... Do you know it's leaking out everywhere?
Yeah. Come round this side of me. Right.
I'm now pushing the mule into the barn. Whoa, it's heavy, isn't it? Pardon? She's on. I flattened the battery apparently. I mean, I've been driving with no lights on for days because I didn't want to flatten the battery, but he's charged it up now, so it's only nearly the middle of the night by this point. So it's probably nearly midnight by now, because he did in fact get the mule started, but his van was parked in the way, of which wasn't working either, so he had to fix the van for me to even get past in the mule. But I'm on my last feed of the day. The pregnant, hopefully pregnant, ewes and Donny the tup. I'm just going to launch it over. We really need to get some haylage / hay feeders. Because the ground gets mullered where they... I'm sorry if that mule's really loud. I'm going to head in now and feed my own little babes who are watching a movie. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon.